Embark on a journey back to 1973, a pivotal year for the American Motors Corporation AMC Javelin, a car that encapsulated the spirit of American muscle with distinctive flair. The 1973 Javelin underwent notable design refinements, including reimagined taillights and a refreshed grille, while the AMX variant maintained its signature front fascia. Unlike other AMC models equipped with telescopic shock-absorbing bumpers, the Javelin featured a unique design with rigid rubber guards, enabling it to withstand impacts of 5 miles per hour at the front end to 0.5 miles per hour at the rear without compromising essential components. Enhancements to door structures ensured compliance with the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's stringent safety standards, requiring resistance to 2,500 pounds of impact within the initial 6 inches of deformation. The interior saw the replacement of the previous turtleback front seats with slimmer, lighter, and more comfortable versions, providing increased legroom for rear passengers. The SSD designation was retired, streamlining the lineup under the singular Javelin name. All engines were updated with advanced emissions controls, reflecting AMC's commitment to environmental considerations. AMC's comprehensive buyer protection, extended warranty for 1973 models, included coverage for food and lodging expenses up to $150 if overnight repairs were necessary more than 100 miles from home, underscoring the company's dedication to customer satisfaction. A successful advertising campaign proclaimed, "We back them better because we build them better," contributing to record high profits for the year. Production figures for the 1973 Javelin totaled 30,902 units, with 5,707 of these being the high-performance AMX variant. Internationally, the Javelin made its mark, notably in Mexico, where Vehículos Automotores Mexicanos VAM assembled the model under license. From AMC, the 1973 VAM Javelin featured cosmetic updates such as a smaller rectangular grille with integrated parking lights and a distinctive TV screen taillight design. Mechanically, it retained the robust performance of its predecessors, with the addition of a new engine head design featuring independent rockers. Despite a decline in sales and impending emission regulations threatening high-compression engines, the 1973 VAM Javelin stood as a testament to performance, marking the end of its production in Mexico, a year before AMC ceased U.S. production. Today, the 1973 AMC Javelin is celebrated among classic car enthusiasts for its unique blend of style, performance, and innovation. Current market values for well-preserved examples vary based on condition and originality, with prices ranging from $20,000 to $40,000, and exceptional models commanding higher figures. Join our community to delve deeper into the legacy of the AMC Javelin and connect with fellow enthusiasts who share your passion for classic American muscle cars.